So I'll share a major problem which I have faced it for years, and the problem is this space. I have seen it going till 0 GB as well, right? Where all the software starts behaving weird and my other drives were also full. I have tried bunch of softwares but none was helping. So one which was good, which I have shared in my other video, is this PC manager. So it makes your PC fast for a little while, like it can maybe take out some resources, but it does not go very deep inside it. It is useful definitely, but there is a very good software which is awesome. The name of the software is WinDirStat, right? You must install it because it gives you detail about a lot of things, by which I was able to optimize my system a lot. Because it goes into very much detail. It told me what, and with the help of, I combined this information with AI, right? I took the screenshots from here, and or maybe got the information from here, and I asked that, okay, what is taking this much space? So I came to know few things which I will share with you, right? So few things were like, if you have, so many a times what I have seen is that, okay, Docker is space taking, Docker images were taking a lot of space, so I deleted them which were not being used, right? Other things that were there mostly was this users directory which was culprit, and there were some Windows update or software like MSI and MSL, in some things were there which was taking a lot of space, right? Like what happens is you install a software, it has left some MSI files which is no longer needed, right? So there is another software for identify this particular problem called as patch info. I'll leave the link for that in the description. So you must install that as well so that you can get rid of those files. Otherwise also, like for example, if you use a editor, so that editor also, video editor, takes a lot of space in caches, and there was a render folder where I saw that so much space was getting wasted by software. But the main part is it gives you the detail of each and everything. It takes some times. It runs on OneDrive first, right? Like not OneDrive as in the that drive I'm talking about, but let's say it is running on C drive as of now. So you can run one by one on each drive to check it out, that how is it behaving. Here you can get the largest file, right? You can just sort by this logical size. So these two files are generally related to, like if you have Hibernate option available, right? So that's why these are the major files, and you should often shut down your system as well. Like if you always do Hibernate, then lot of space gets into these files as well, right? But once this analysis is complete, you will see a very good diagram over here, right? So you should sort by this logical size and try to find out, like for example, another problem area was Nugget package, right? I was working on a project, C# project, right? If you are working on Java, then they download a lot of libraries which you are not using when you are changing projects and all, right? So you can delete all of them. And one very good use case is with email system, right? So email also takes a lot of space. So I saw that my emails were 20 GB and all, right? So what you can do is, in Microsoft Outlook, you can go to account settings. Under account settings, you can select your mail ID. Once you select that mail ID, there is an option of how much data you want to keep, right? How many mails you want to keep. So generally by default it is set as 1 year. So you can reduce it to 3 months maybe, right? Because generally you don't use that much old data, but the data never goes away, right? Even if you search it, then it will download it on the runtime basis. So that mail storage also takes a lot of space, right? I got it 10 GB space from there. So once this is complete, I'll show you. Let me pause the video meanwhile, but it is already like green here. Once this portion is complete, you will see a very good detail. You can open this subfolders and you will come to know that what is taking that much space in your system. Right now it is completed. If you see that it is we can't make anything out of this information, but it has shown your hard disk that, okay, which portion has filled how much, and here is the color coding of all these things that is coming, right? So if you see, the users is taking my most of the space, right? 513 GB it is showing that is being taken by that. So you can open that users folder and then it is showing further right now app data. So if you see local is having a lot of, again, like Docker is taking 32 GB, right? And then this Microsoft folder, again, Outlook is 8.1 GB. Earlier it was 20 GB. So I was able to solve it by finding out that which is the culprit, right? So if any of these are the culprits, right, for example, that MSI files, which I told you, if that is culprit for you, I'll share that patch info software, right? It is a very simple software. It finds out any files which are irrelevant related to MSIs, it will remove that. But otherwise, you have to do this analysis here, find out the file which is the culprit, and then you can probably delete those. And you can think of the reason that why it is taking that much time. For example, OneDrive, there is a setting which you can set that if you click on it, then only download those files, right? So that way, intelligently, I am able to optimize my drive using this WinDirStat and the other software that I told you and the hacks which I told you in this video. Thank you so much.